Urban Gardening Thailand here. Join me in my garden growing plants, seedlings, and cuttings in tropical Asia.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got about 25 of the smallest Caladium tubers ever. They're not much bigger than that bee down there, and I'm going to plant them. As you know, normally you plant the tubers with the flat side down, but these are too small to determine what end is what. Oh well, it just makes it that much easier. I've placed our mini Caladium tubers in a pot. Now I'm going to cover them with some dirt. I wonder what they'll look like. Well, we'll soon find out. It's been about 2.5 months later, and here's the results. A pot full of beautiful caladiums blowing in the wind. Please tick that like button and subscribe to my channel. You can find all my gardening videos from the garden playlist link in the description below.